Hey, welcome to the episode of Beers, Jack of Barbecue. So today we're doing a little something, not really different, but we're doing an unboxing. Got a Christmas gift. Actually got two Christmas gifts here. First one I should show you is check out the merch. When I say merch, it means there's one and one only, so it's a very expensive shirt if you want part of this. Actually, our daughter made this for me for Christmas. So showing it off today. She likes to, when we give a little shout out, to say she's out there. The other one, my wife got me the Little Griddle. So I saw this on Baby Back Maniac, put this on a gas grill. I initially looked at griddles and I don't have a real need. We're in Pennsylvania, so how many months out of the year it's freezing on the back porch to be standing out cooking. Although today while we're shooting this, it's only about 28 outside, but once in a while I like to do something on the griddle, and I think it's gonna be perfect. This goes on top of the gas grill, control the heat that way. You don't have a whole lot of the different zones for it, but for what I need, what I want to use it for, it's going to work out perfect. I have enough for the other grills to do whatever else I want to do, and I have an indoor griddle on our stove if I really want to do something different. So today, it's a Little Griddle. I'm going to show you the big unboxing, but I wanted the video to be more than 30 seconds. We just have a Weber Silver out there. It pretty much would have been me taking it out of the box, setting it here. Comes with a little cover for it. Most likely be keeping it in the box for most of the time when I'm not using it. And we're going to do our first cook. So I got a couple pounds of shrimp here, nice big bag of stir-fry vegetables. We're going to take it out to the grill, show you some temperatures on it so we can try to figure it out a little bit because it's the first time I'm going to be using it. And we'll show you some shrimp and vegetables for our dinner tonight. So enjoy the intro. We'll see you out in the grill. All right, so we brought the Little Griddle out, put it on the gas grill. You can see my good old-fashioned Weber here. Fits on there pretty nicely. Just going to check some temperatures on this. Probably looking around 300 or so to start this. So it's almost there. I just turned it up a little bit more to try to get different ones, but I'm looking about 300 in the middle. We're at 270. So once that hits a little over 300, towards 350, we're going to start doing some of the vegetables. So we'll see you here shortly. All right, so we hit about 350 or so, a little higher. Not sure this is going to work because, again, like I said, we're in Pennsylvania, and this is 28 degrees outside. So for my oil, I'm going to use ghee tonight. That's what you want to see. See, my grill isn't totally level, but that's all right. This ghee can take some high heat, so that's why I wanted to use that. We got the vegetables here. The one thing I wasn't sure about how long it's going to hold heat because of being so cold outside. It seems like it's doing all right. Just wanted to let that give it time to cook a little more. And plus being so cold, I wanted to capture some of the heat inside the grill. All right, gonna pull them off. All right, gonna grab the shrimp and then we'll throw that on. All right, gonna throw a little more ghee on here. A little extra off of there. I had these thawing in the fridge overnight, still a little bit frozen. I'm actually going to close the grill down and let them just heat up here a little bit, and we'll go from there. All right, gonna check them out. With being the cold weather, it's definitely challenging to keep things warm, but we'll get there. Definitely got to work on my leveling of the grill too. So what I want to do today is learn how to use this a little better. We got a roller back here. Oh, that'll be sacrificed. All right, gonna close up for a little bit. Just give it another peek here. Like I said, it's getting there. It's just cold outside. And with them being partially frozen, it created a lot of water here too. So when I get, that's taken away from the heat. All right, couple more minutes. Probably another couple minutes with a flip and we'll be done. All right, should be done. All right, we'll put all this together inside and we'll show you what's going on. As always, cheers. All right, so tonight we did an unboxing of the Little Griddle. Also showed you the merch. Thanks, Nikki, for a Christmas gift. The Little Griddle I thought was pretty impressive. How heavy it was made, I forgot to mention that in the beginning. The thing was heavy. I was surprised for the size of it, how heavy it was. One thing I did learn, it's 28 degrees outside, and even though it was screaming hot in the beginning, that heat went away fast as soon as that grill was open. So probably not something I'm going to get to use a whole lot in the wintertime, but I'm sure springtime will come along and we'll do some breakfast out there and some other items that you normally would do on a griddle. So right here it is, stir fry veggies and shrimp. Looks pretty good. Let me taste the shrimp. Tastes like shrimp. Didn't do anything really special with them except stir fry them just with the ghee itself. So just that little bit of a butter flavor on the shrimp. And the veggies are kind of just done, a little al dente, but just done right. Yeah, it tastes excellent. So like what you're seeing, subscribe to the channel. Click the little bell, get the updates every time we put a new video out, which is typically every 2 weeks. And share with your friends, and we'll see you next time.